Okay, for our lab we got NE23. It is a 20 weblog entry data set. For our backend implementation, we decided that we would use TF-IDF, which would allow us to run the code on our server itself to have it in control, opposed to relying on internet speed and the availability of external APIs. For the front end design, as you can see, as I move through the dataset, it'll provide the top 5 words in there. It's a TDF score, and we'll place them in ascending order based on that. And it will pick, if there is matching, it will pick the later number, or it'll pick the first time it finds the number, or like it will first time it finds the value. So the earlier the value is in the sentence, it will pick that one first based on how we are calculating its score, or sorting the list out, I should say. Click it. Oh, yeah, I didn't click it. It will change, and you can see that it can get similar scores, so there can be a similar amount if the weblog entry is not as common, or is more common with the data sets. And it genuinely leaves mostly useful terms that you would want to have as your recommended tags, or could possibly have as recommended tags. And I'm just kind of going through all the data sets. And it will pick up things. It does this would have been a URL. It does get rid of the period. We do have that for other words when it ends sentences, so it can't be perfect with everything like that. And it will get rid of semicolons too, as you can see from this lost here. Remove the semicolon when it's over here. Oops. So even with this ugly monstrous one, the worst thing it does is it does pick up on these special characters, but we could assume they could have been more important for words, so we decided not to get rid of them at all times. So it will keep them, like things like this could have had stars around them, and they might still wanted that as their tag. So we wanted to keep it. Same thing with numbers. We felt numbers could be valued, but then again, this is supposed to be a 1.1, but it did get rid of it because it is not searching based on each and every number. And as you can see, the pages are loading relatively quickly. There is little to no delay in between each load, so it is actually rather efficient using it on our local machines as is. Thank you for watching. That's kind of all I have.